Okay, so this is going to be your new activity, which is search result activity. We have the Java file, and in XML I'm going to create this layout quickly for you. Okay, so I'll go. So here's the code for the activity search results.xml. We just added a text view, then a recycler view. So you can see it's pretty much what we have done so far. And also we did it in make get request activities. So it's simple, and here we have it. In search results, we are just going to get the JSON, and also we are going to get city and blood group. JSON we will get from, okay, we should better have an intent object now, so let's just say get intent, and JSON equals to intent dot get string extra. String name will be JSON, and city is going to be intent dot get string extra. Name will be city, and blood group is going to be get string extra blood group. So this JSON is the result that we will get from our script, search donor script. City and blood group are the search parameters that we entered in the search activity. So yeah, let's just give these values to this heading that we have here. So this will set the string as heading. Then we have JSON part, so that we will deal with now, and we are going to use it. So we need to make a list, and for that we need to get some requests. So in database we have this programmer from Delhi, and Yeah. So coming back to file manager, let's edit this thing a bit. We will say city as Delhi and blood group equals to A positive. Okay, so this we get only one user as a response, and that's enough. If you remember, we will go to JSON schema to pojo.org. We will enter when enter this thing here. We will name this as donors. Everything should be there as well. You just need to say shows type is JSON, annotation style is JSON. That's all. Preview. You get your class, copy it from here like this, and coming to data models, we will just paste this. Yeah, and now you get a class with name, number, city, which we can use as a list here to display in our recycler view. List of donors. So as we get it, we would want to register a type token that we did also our in our main activity. So come here and you will find this. Paste it inside here in search results. Here instead of JSON, instead of response, we have type, and type token is list of donor. If data models is empty, we wanna set heading to something different like no results. Else we want to we don't need to use else here. And in donors list, we want to add all the data models that we converted from that JSON string to a list of data models of donor type. Okay, this could be an exception. So else if data models not equals to null. Okay, so this should work. I mean, I think you understand what we have done here. And now we need to create a recycler view for this donors list. Okay guys, so first thing we need to create any recycler view list is to have an item layout. So I just copied the request item layout and removed the share button part from it. So it's without a share button because there wasn't any share button in the design. So here you see there's just, and instead of message we will be showing the name and city. So yeah, coming back here, and next up we need uh, an adapter. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it and rename it as search adapter. Okay, so after fixing that, we will change this to donor. Let's just import that. Here also donor, and instead of this we will have a donor item, and in the here we will get, yeah, we need to modify that. Also need to remove this. Yeah. This will also go. Yeah, everything else remains same, just remove the share button part, and the call button remains as it is here because we didn't implemented it last time also. So str will be name, it's going to be dataset get position plus str plus equals to city, and city is going to be dataset get position dot get city dot get name. That's all we want to do, and in holder we will implement the call. So we will also implement it here and also in our request adapter which we were doing earlier. But before that we need to do something in search results.java also. We need to set this list, make adapter and everything. So yeah, we will make first the recycler view. Recycler view will be same as the request activity, so let's just copy it from there. So main activity we have recycler view here. Okay, and we have search adapter. Okay, so we did it all in this one method. So first we have recycler view. We are just binding it with the layout. Then we have the layout manager, which is a vertical layout, vertical linear layout, and we just set this layout manager to this recycler view. Then we have the adapter, the constructor for it. We are passing the donor list, which will be passed from that JSON now, and we are just setting it as an adapter for this recycler view. So this should display whatever we throw at it, whatever JSON we throw at it. So let's just close it there, and in search activity, let's go in search activity here. So our response will we will create an intent here, new intent, not this, it's going to be search activity.this, and we want to open search results.class. On intent we want to put extra city, this is the city that the user entered in the search query. Same with the blood group. And also we need to put the response as JSON. Let's just start activity for this intent. Okay, this should do. And here in this part, I'm going to make a call. So it's like this: intent, new intent, action call. Okay, and we set data by making a new URI, and we attach the number to it. Okay, and then we just start. Okay, in an adapter, to start an activity we will have to do few things. First, cast the context to an activity and then start the intent. Okay, so this will work like this, but as we are using an intent of action call, we need a permission to make a call. So let's take permission. For permission we already have some code here. Let's see where it is. Not in here. In make request activity we did something with permissions, so we will go back there and yes, permission checker. Yes, this is what we want, and we will come back to search adapter, paste it here, cover it up all inside, and make this not equals to as equals to. This will be replaced by context, and instead of read external storage we want call phone. Okay, so permission to make a call we need, and else we should ask for permission. Let's see how we asked. We had request permission method, Okay, so like this we were able to ask for permission. Here the permission will be call phone with a request code of 401. So this way you will be able to ask it. Here I don't think we need to make a cast. Yeah, so this will work, and we can put it in our request adapter as well. All right, and yeah, one more thing that is left is this share button. We will implement it in a while. Let's just test our application once, because we have done quite a few things and we need to see if all of them works or not. Yeah, in your home page, do one more thing. uh, Alright, this will be fixed by rebuilding the project. In main activity we have yeah, let me show you in the layout file. We have this choose location. So I want to set the location text as I want to set the location as what we saved there. In the saved preferences, we made that preference manager dot get default shared preferences. This get string city no city found, and if location doesn't turn out to be no city found, we should set the pick location text as location. Okay, yeah, let's make this project. Okay guys, let's run this application now. So as we see, the login works and we have the location here also. We are getting this, and let's try to make a call. So it crashed. Let's see why. Okay, we did a mistake here. We need to add a colon. So also change it in here also and rerun the application. So now let's log in once again. I don't know why it crashed this time. Why did it crash here? It's strange. Let's run it again. Okay, it logged in this time. Let's click on this. We get an option to make a phone call or Skype. Because these two are the application installed in my phone, you might get some other way. So I'm going to hit cancel. Let's see search page. Here I'm going to enter Delhi with A positive. Find me some donors. I clicked on the find donor button and the app crashed. Let's see why. Again in search activity, here the application is failing somehow. Okay, I'm going to test it one more time to see if it is some server problem. Why are we getting errors and everything? And why there is no error message and this thing fails? So yeah. Okay, it crashed again. And I'm sure it's going to crash again here. Okay. Let's see if we can test it here. Donors.php. And yeah, we needed to edit this thing. Let's see if we can edit. Edit. Yes, we are logged out of it. File manager, upload files. We actually left the dummy variables there, so maybe that's what causing the issue. Because if we don't get something in post, but we are getting something in post. Let's see if the servers are responding well enough or not. They are responding well enough, so all right. I guess my internet is getting very slow at this moment, and that's why the app crashed. We just need to remove these two. Let's test the application again. Okay, this is getting out of hand. It is failing here this time. Alright, so it wasn't what I thought. It's failing here. This recycler view is not correct. Its ID should be recycler view. So if you were following me, you need to change this in your search results. Now let's rerun the application, and this time it should work, because if we are reaching till here, then it means it's working fine so far, and it means all these things that we did worked, the script worked, and we are here. Alright, so we get it, but the message is not visible here. So let's see what's the problem. Oh, we didn't set the message, so that's the problem. In your search adapter, coming down here, we created the str, but we forgot to set it actually. So message set text str. So yes, we will get the message here, and on clicking on this call button, it's crashing again. So why is it crashing? Okay, I don't understand. We did the same thing in request adapter and it worked there. What's it giving this error here? Who is initializing the search adapter? The search results activity, right? So instead of get application context, let's try passing search results dot this. Alright, so we get the name and we get the city, and on making a call you get this. So we pretty much completed this project. This is all what we have imagined. We have the make request page. We have the home page where we are getting all the requests in Gwalior in this case, which is my city, and you get all these requests here. So you will have to make some changes if you want to publish this application, for example, or if you want to put it as a project in your coursework, you want to give it as a project in your university. You may want to add something new to it, refine some things, make the search better, make the location thing dynamic, maybe Google Maps or something like that. And yeah, so those are the things that you can do, or you can do something to verify the users. So I will make separate videos on verification, Google Map location thing, and other things as well. So only one thing now is left, that is the share button is not working. So yeah, okay guys, so I wrote the code for share button. It's here. So it's another intent. I'm calling it share intent, and in the construction we are saying intent.action send, and we are setting the type as text plain, and we are putting some extras. We have intent extra text, in which we are first we get the message from the holder.message. So whatever will be the message on the post, you will be getting there, and then we are converting it to string, and then at the end we are appending some contact details. We are getting it from dataset, and we are setting the subject, hey, could you help here, and then we are starting the activity with the title share. So this might not appear on your phone depending upon your Android version. Okay, so I ran the application and it's running. So if I click on this share button, I get this menu. I click on mail, and you see in subject I'm getting, hey, could you help here, and B plus required immediately and contact number. So the message got there and the contact number got there, and yeah, so now the application is complete guys, and you can use it wherever you want. It's free to use, and also I want you guys to modify it as you like, and play around with it and improve it. Yeah, and there will be more such videos, such projects, more complex advanced projects also, where we will be using multiple servers or uh, some advanced databases. And yes, we will also make some small videos for YouTube, like where I'm teaching something small, like sharing button or camera activity or QR code activity or things like that. I'm going to teach with small videos. So yeah, not everything is going to be a huge playlist of lengthy videos. It's for projects, and I guess there are certain audience who wants to see long projects and want to learn step by step and make projects and learn from them. So yeah, anyone who liked this video can hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel and leave some comments down there. Yeah, good luck guys.